There are several popular day trading platforms available in the market, including TD Ameritrade offers thinkorswim platform for advanced traders with access to real-time data, news, and analysis tools. E-Trade provides Power E-Trade platform with customizable charting and screening tools. Charles Schwab offers Street Smart Edge platform with real-time quotes and trading alerts. Interactive Brokers provides Trader Workstation platform for professional traders with advanced charting and algorithmic trading tools. Robinhood provides a simple and user-friendly mobile app for trading stocks and options with no commissions. Fidelity offers Active Trader Pro platform with advanced charting and trading tools. Ninja Trader provides a customizable platform with advanced charting and market analysis tools. It's important to do your own research and choose a platform that best fits your trading needs, including cost, features, and ease of use.